Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Biology MCQ series of NEET Buddy, where we are providing you with daily biology MCQs from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, and the topic for today's MCQs is what you're seeing on screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following is special property of muscle cells? Excitability, contractility, extensibility, or all the above? Special property of muscle cells is. The correct answer is option D, that is all the above. Excitability, contractibility, extensibility. These are all special properties which is found in muscle cells. Question 2. Fascia is collagenous connective tissue, areolar connective tissue, type of tendon, other name for fascicles. Fascia is. The correct answer is option A. It refers to collagenous connective tissue. Question 3. Light band of sarcomere constitutes of actin, myosin, myofibrils or collagen. Light band of sarcomere consists of. The correct answer is option A, that is actin forms the light band of sarcomere. Question 4. Which of the following statements is correct? Z line bisects I band. I band is made of thick filaments. M line bisects I band, or thin filaments are firmly attached to M line. Which of the following statements is correct? The answer is option A. Z line bisects the I band. That's the correct statement. Question 5. Acetylcholine released by nerve endings generate action potential in sarcoplasma, fascicles, sarcolemma, myofibrils. Acetylcholine released by nerve endings generate action potential in. The correct answer is option C, that is sarcolemma. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter that is present in motor end plate. What is motor end plate? The junction of the muscle with the nerve. At the nerve ending of the motor end plate, the nerve releases acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter. It goes and binds to the receptors which are present on the muscle membrane, which is the sarcolemma, right? So the sarcolemma contains receptors of acetylcholine. The acetylcholine goes and binds to the receptors and generates the action potential in the muscle, which starts from sarcolemma. Question 6. ATP is utilized in which of the following steps? Following are the steps of muscle contraction. You have to tell which is the step in which ATP is used. Cross bridge formation, sliding, cross bridge breakage, or none of these. That is, no ATP is utilized in the process. The correct answer is option A, that is cross bridge formation. ATP is utilized and it gets converted to ADP in the process of cross bridge formation. Question 7. Total subunits in troponin is 4, 3, 5 or 2. Total subunits in troponin is. The correct answer is option B, that is there are 3 subunits that make up troponin. Question 8. Mark the incorrect pair. Axial skeleton is made up of 80 bones, cranial bones 8 in number, facial bones 22 in number, or air ossicles 3 in number. Of these 4 pairs, you have to mark which one is incorrect. The answer is option C is incorrect. That is facial bone 22. That's incorrect because there are 14 facial bones and 8 cranial bones, which together make up total of 22 bones in skull. So total number of facial bones is 14 and not 22. Question 9. Total number of pairs of floating rib in human body are 4, 8, 6 or 2. The correct answer is option D, that is two pairs of floating ribs are there? Guys, again, like I always say, read the questions carefully. They are asking total number of pairs of floating rib and not the total number of floating ribs. If the question had been total number of floating ribs in human body, then the answer would have been 4. But since they are asking for pairs, answer is 2. Question 10. Gout is inflammation of joints due to accumulation of urea, uric acid, calcium salts or ammonium salts. Gout is inflammation of joints due to accumulation of. The correct answer is option B, uric acid. Accumulation of uric acid in the joints result in inflammation of the joints, and this is known as gout. Question number 11. What will happen if ligaments are torn? Bone will become unfixed. Bone will become fixed. Bone less movable at joint and painful. Bone will be freely movable at joint and no pain. What will happen if ligaments are torn? The correct answer is option C. Bones will be less movable at joint and painful. Question number 12. Achondroplasia is a disease related to defect in formation of membrane, mucosa, bone, cartilage. Achondroplasia is a disease related to the defect in formation of. The correct answer is option D, cartilage. Question number 13. The supportive skeletal structure in human external ears and in the tip of nose are examples of areolar tissue, bone, cartilage, ligament. Supportive skeletal structure present in human external ear and in the nose tip is an example of. The correct answer is option C. They are both made of cartilage. Question number 14. Which of the following statements is correct? Z line bisects the I band. I band is made of thick filaments. M line bisects the I band. Thin filaments are firmly attached to M line. Which of the following is correct? The correct answer is option A. Z line bisects the I band. Question number 15. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in medullary cavity of long bones, spongy bones, short bones, all of above. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in the medullary cavity of. The correct answer is option A. They are found in the medullary cavity of long bones. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology. Do read that chapter up, and if you found this helpful, do share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.